Okay, welcome again. Okay, now. Okay, welcome again, students. Now we are going to page number 10, that is the select the correct match. So here we find that select the correct match here. So, okay, T.S. Morgan transduction, F2 into recessive parent cross, dihabet cross, ribozyme nucleic acid, and G. Mendel, the Gregor-John Mendel transformation. So, answer will be ribozyme. These are the RNA molecules having enzymatic activity, that is, they are capable of catalyzing specific biochemical reaction. Hence, these are nucleic acid with the enzymatic functions. So, ribosomes are what? They are the nucleic acid with enzymatic function. They can play a role of enzyme also. Okay, then the correct order of steps in the polymerase in the polymerase chain reaction, that is popularly called as the PCR, is denaturation, extension, annealing, extension, denaturation, annealing, denaturation, annealing, and extension. So answer will be denaturation, annealing, and extension. Okay. Next question now. We see that. Okay. In India, the organization responsible for assessing the safety of introducing genetically modified organisms for public usage is Research Committee on Genetic Manipulation, RCGM, Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, and Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, and also Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee, GEAC. So here answer will be Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee. This will be responsible for assessing the safety of introducing genetically modified organism for the public use. Okay. Then we go to page number 11. Now here, page 11. Okay. So, okay. Now here, use of the bioresources by multinational companies and organizations without authorization from the concerned country, and its perhaps is called, and its purple is called. And its people, sorry. Again, I read, use of bioresources by multinational companies and organizations without authorization from the concerned country and its people is called the biopiracy, not biodegradation, biopiracy. And then which of the following is commonly used as a vector for introducing a DNA fragment in human lymphocytes? So, answer will be retrovirus. There are so many options: lambda phase, triplasmid, retrovirus, BPR322. So, retrovirus. Okay, next is here. Okay, we'll go to next now. Okay. In which of the following form an iron absorbed by plant? Plant absorb iron in the ferric form, Fe3+. Okay, I don't go with the options now. Then what is the role of NAD plus in cellular respiration? It is a nucleotide resource of ATP synthesis. It functions as an electron carrier, then it functions as an enzyme. It is the final electron acceptor for anaerobic respiration. So answer will be it functions as an electron carrier. And last part will be 2018 now. Botany, only botany it is. So here we go to oxygen is not produced during photosynthesis by cycas, nosta, green sulfur bacteria, and Cara. So answer will be green sulfur bacteria. If these are anaerobic bacteria, they do not evolve oxygen during photosynthesis. Next one is the double fertilization is the fusion of two male gametes with an egg, fusion of one male gamete with the two pollen nuclei, fusion of two male gametes of the pollen tube with two different eggs, and syngamy and the triple fusion. Answer will be syngamy and triple fusion. Syngamy, you see that, okay, now we'll go to syngamy and the triple. Syngamy is what? Syngamy is the fusion of the egg nucleus with one male gamete, and triple fusion is the fusion of the second male gamete and central cell. Next question, which one of the following plants shows a very close relationship with a species of moth where none of the two can complete its life cycle without the other? So answer will be banana, yucca, hydrilla, and viola. So answer will be yucca. And Yucca, this is an obligate symbiotic relationship between yucca and a moth for the pollination and the life cycle completion. So both of them, they cannot live because one has to lay eggs for completing life cycle and other has to depend for the pollination. So last question, pollen grains can be stored for several years in the liquid nitrogen having temperature of minus 196 degrees centigrade. So with this we come to end of the 2018 botany parts. The zoology part I have already given students. So I request you to please subscribe the channel so that next video what I'm making is that we'll start the human or animal physiology for NEET exam. We'll start from the chapter digestion and I will take short segment of the chapter so that I can explain there, and I'll give you a few questions from that segment. So it will be helpful for you to appear the NEET exam. So once again I request you, all the viewers, all the listeners, all the students, please subscribe the channel so that I can give you some more important questions and the chapter explanation. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much, all of you. Once again.